Hello everyone. In this video, we'll understand KPI. The meaning of KPI is Key Performance Indicator. The primary use of KPIs is to measure progress towards a critical business objective. KPIs provide targets, milestones to measure progress, and insights to inform decision making. Now let's see the definition of a KPI. KPIs are time-bound quantifiable values that help measure the performance of your employees, strategy, and overall organization. It's what you look at to understand how close you are to achieving your goals within your desired time frame. Developing great KPIs is an art as much as it's a science. Key performance indicators are drivers of performance. If you want to drive performance towards specific organizational goals, choose KPIs that directly align with those goals. Now, good KPIs usually follow the SMART framework: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. It leaves no room for misinterpretation. Now, let's see how to set KPIs. Developing the right KPIs directly affects your plan's execution. The mistake that most people make when determining the KPIs for their goals is they try to choose one or two key performance indicators. However, it's more useful to think of them as prioritized, clustered. That means that you can write a set of KPIs that their performance gives you a more holistic view of progress. So, how many KPIs do you need? At least 3: leading KPIs, lagging KPIs, and counter KPIs. First of all, examples of counter KPIs. Suppose your goal is to decrease production time. So the counter KPI would be number of defective products per week or month. Or your goal is online traffic to a web page. So the counter KPI would be conversion rates of the page. Now let's see leading KPIs. These measure whose current progress helps us make an educated prediction about the success of a goal. They are called leading because they refer to the future. For example, if the goal is to decrease work-related accidents, so the leading KPI would be to increase weekly equipment checks. Next is lagging KPIs. These are measures whose current progress helps us understand previous performance. They are called lagging because they refer to the past. For example, if the goal is to increase production, the lagging KPI would be weekly finished products. Or if the goal is to reduce environmental footprint, so the lagging KPI would be monthly paper consumption. Like the famous Peter Drucker once said, you can't improve what you don't measure. So running a business without KPIs is like driving a car with your eyes closed. You don't really know where you're going, and there are chances it won't have a happy ending. Therefore, having key performance indicators and tracking them is necessary for every business organization. I hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.